So hello and welcome back, editor. Today I will show you how to create a smooth masking effect in After Effects. A lot of you guys are asking me for this tutorial, so now I'm here with the tutorial. Sorry guys, I'm very late to upload this video because I'm busy into creating shorts or busy in my studies. So now I am here with the tutorial. So without investing time, firstly let's see the preview. Open the Adobe After Effects and have your clips and textures are ready. Pre-compose all of your layers. Then now I will create a mask layer just to show you guys. Here's the Iron Man. Firstly, go to this pen tool, click on the clip you want to add mask. Then go to this pen tool icon, or you can open it by pressing G on your keyboard. Once you click there, zoom in onto your clip and follow what I did. Create the mask layer around the Iron Man. I will show you. So now as you can see, our background are removed. If you click invert, then Iron Man will be disappear and that background will appear. We want only Iron Man, not the background, so we left it out. Then press F on your keyboard to open the mask feather. Then put the value of the feather up to 35. As you can see, our smooth mask are ready. Now as you can see, here is the Iron Man, but it covers the full entire video, entire clip. Then follow what I did. Then add a keyframe at the position where I did. Simply copy me. Then here's our Iron Man coming. Adjust these keyframes. As you can see, our Iron Man coming out. Then press F on the other layer and delete the mask layer. This is how you create the mask effect. As you can see, our Iron Man appears smoothly. This is how the mask effects work. So that's it for today's guys. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching my edits and my videos. See you in the next video. Bye.